It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.